Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Current judgment session court for Punjab and Haryana High Court at the rate 80 word per minute, 400 words. Be ready? Start. Complainant deposed that he had 4 daughters and a son. His eldest daughter Anekha was married with Sonu, son of Iswar, residents of village Dhamanwala, district Jind, on 28/6/2017, according to Hindu rites and ceremonies. After the marriage, his son-in-law Sonu and his family members used to beat his daughter on account of demand of dowry. His daughter told them about the act of cruelty being caused by her husband and his family members. On 7/8/2017 at about 5:30 p.m., his daughter Anekha was present in their house and her husband Sonu had come to fetch her. Since it was evening time, they had refused to send his daughter and requested Sonu that he should take Anekha next day, but he became angry and asked them to send Anekha with him immediately. He misbehaved with them and even did not wish them properly, and even did not take food, etc. at their house, and he abused them and his daughter Anekha. He forced them to send Anekha with him, and under his pressure they sent Anekha with him. After some preparation, he took Anekha on his motorcycle HD Deluxe. On other motorcycle, his relative Ram Meher, his sister-in-law Chandkaur, and his younger daughter Poonam also left the house with his daughter Anekha with Sonu. Anekha and Sonu arranged some plastic bag from Sambhalka for putting their luggage, and they started for village Dhamanwala. In the late night, Anju, sister-in-law of Anekha, gave a phone call to them that Sonu and Anekha had met with an accident near village Hartadi between the Delhi parallel canals, and she asked them to reach there. They searched for them in the night but could not find them. Next day, on 8/8/2017, they came to know that dead body of a young girl was lying in the bushes between the two canals near village Hartali. They reached there and saw it was a dead body of his daughter Anekha, who was killed brutally by her husband Sonu, son of Iswar, for not fulfilling his demand of dowry. There were many stab injuries on the person of his daughter. Police had arrived at the spot. He had moved application exercise P2 to the police, which bears his signatures at point A. Bhushan, son of Ram Nivas, Hiralal, son of Mahabir, reached there. Thereafter, dead body of his daughter Anekha was shifted to GH Panipat, where the doctors had conducted the postmortem on her dead body, belonging of his daughter, which were lifted from the support, and some customary jewelry etc. removed from her dead body at the time of postmortem were handed over to him by the police wide memo exercise P3, which bears his signature at point A. Memo was also signed by P.W. Rammehr. Accused Sonu is present in the court. Accused Sonu had threatened many times to kill his daughter as he was not happy with the dowry articles, and he was raising demand of gold chain and a motorcycle. P.W. Poonam deposed that his elder sister Anekha was married with accused Sonu on 28/6/2017 according to Hindu rites and ceremonies. Accused Sonu is the residence of village Dhamanwala district Jind. Since the time of marriage, her sister was being harassed by accused Sonu and by his family members on account of demand of dowry and for bringing less dowry at the time of marriage. On 7/8/2017, her brother-in-law Bragdmi Jija Sonu had come to their house to fetch her sister Anekha at about 5:30 p.m. They told him that it was evening time, that he should go tomorrow, but he became angry. Accused Sonu did not wish any of their family members, and even he did not take meal out of anger. He forced them to get ready her sister and depart from their house. Her sister also asked her to go tomorrow. Accused started abusing her sister. Under his pressure, they sent her sister Anekha with him, and they left on a motorcycle. On another motorcycle, herself, her aunt Sandkaur and one Rammehr also followed them. They reached Samhalka. Accused Sonu arranged a big plastic pouch and put the articles in the same. Thereafter, Anekha and Sonu left for their journey to their village. See, Chandkaur and Rammehr started from Samhalka to Panipat. Manju, sister of accused, had informed her parents with Sonu had met with an accident. On the next day, 8/8/2017, at about 8:30 a.m., they came to know that a dead body of a young lady was lying between two parallel Delhi canals. Now family members reached there where her sister was found brutally murdered by her husband. In fact, her sister was murdered by the accused as they could not fulfill his demand of dowry. Accused is present in the court. Her statement was recorded by the investigation officer during investigation. Full stop.